Try some of this Black Panther beer. Look at that stuff. Black Panther beer. Well, Panther Black beer, because you can't see Black Panther, I guess. Copyright.
My shoe is matching.
Even what? Your shoes are matching? Oh, it's like a Guinness. It's funny.
See, black and this color.
Ooh, look at that. Matching like crazy. It matches the shirt, yeah. Yeah, that outfit works. Yeah, that's funny.
Oh, it's funny.
Yeah.
Art. So many art.
In a world of locked rooms, the man with the key is king. Ooh. All right, let's check this place out. 516, 517, 518, which is the area code of Albany. The same area code of the college I went to. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. What are the odds, right? Ooh, FTL. Nice view there.
I think they have a bar or something on top of this for.
Oh yeah, they do. Look at that.
What?
Yeah. Looks like there's an event there too.
What?
Yeah. Akmani. It's a cool area.
There's that other side also, I think. The big building, I think they have it also. And that also.
Yeah.
Many.
Many parties.
Of
Well,
course.
luckily we got our own. Look at this. 5th floor.
On the lamp.
Yeah, go. Oh, I gotta put the card in. That's right. Because I'm the king.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, let's look at the bathroom. Nice. 2 towels. Cool shower. Not a rainfall, but good enough.
Somebody's farting.
I can twist this over here. What happened?
Someone is farting here. I can see.
How do you know?
It's right here. You see some.
Oh wow, it's a party right there.
We can
That's
hear them.
hilarious. Yeah.
We open the window and we
Right?
can hear it.
And say, ooh,
Ooh.
party right here.
Yeah,
We'll
like-
dance with them.
Yeah, like that.
Exactly. The view is cool. All right, that's the entrance, I think. And Serena Mall's across the street, right?
This one, yeah, this is the Sarina I told you.
Yeah, we went there before. I just
And
forgot.
Here they have like stuff. Do you see?
Yeah.
They have white things. Stand.
I think during Merdeka, I did go there.
Even you go with me before.
Yeah, we went before,
When
I
you
think.
first time coming here.
Got a cool
Enjoy
bed.
the party, guys.
Exactly, enjoy, yeah.
They're eating
I wonder if we
also.
could push this over. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
They're even eating like buffet.
Yeah, that's a whole dinner, yeah.
You see that?
They have having a buffet special. And that's a hotel too. Look, that's somebody's room.
Yes, here. I can see the television.
You can see what they're watching. What is that? What's going on that TV?
We are never like.
Right? We're being gossipy.
Oh, okay. I don't want to be Travis.
Yeah. This is cool. Got a little at least a queen size bed. Not bad. Could sleep here.
Oh,
What we got here? We got water at least. We got
the special water with,
Miss Cleo water.
with.
So the plan is to fall back to this hotel in case the streets get too crowded. We can walk back to it from the New Year's party we're going to. This is Artotel, by the way. Nice place.
Maybe I'm gonna get the barbecue.
Barbecue? Oh, maybe. Yeah. No space?
No, they don't have
What is that? Satay? What's that?
Kue putu, a cake. A putu cake, yeah.
A cake? Oh.
Yeah, you wanna try? It's nice. It's creamy over the coconut.
Yeah, I think I'll try a cake like yeah. Might try one of those. I don't want a satay now. Why? What is it?
Chicken satay, chicken satay.
Chicken satay? Nah, it's alright. Yeah, get 3.
It's not chicken, yeah.
What is it?
Lamb.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
What is
Okay, yeah. Can I try one? Yeah. One. Yeah, one's one. Oh.
like somebody crying, right?
Yeah, right? Yeah, exactly. Terima kasih. I got it. Oh, a drink. I'll try. Have lamb? All right. Yeah, go ahead, try it. What is it?
Jango, the one I cooked for you, remember with the egg?
Oh, it's egg?
Remember that I bring?
That's an egg?
This is the Jango.
Genko. Okay.
I just take one, that's it. Like this one.
Nasi uduk Betawi. And this is egg, right?
Yeah, it's not quite spicy. That's the chicken. Fried chicken.
And that's this egg too, right?
Not egg.
Not egg.
Jango, different.
Okay.
So you already tried for the one I cooked for you.
starting to rain on New Year's. Great way to start to end the year with rain. Yeah. They say it rains until Chinese New Year's. We'll see if that's true.
So that's it for this one. Join us in the next one where we have a New Year's party at Kita Bar. It's going to be awesome. It's on top of the Park Hyatt.
The Midnight Bell. Oh, thank you. They changed the scenery. The Midnight Bell. Ooh, Kita Bar, the Midnight Bell. Welcome. Hello. Yeah, Travis. Yeah. Hi. Thandie Newton. Zoe Saldana.
Just want to let you know your previous table.
Mm-hmm.
It's still there, just like we moved it indoor.
Indoors?
Yeah, because the weather.
Okay.
Let me show you real quick.
All right.
How are you guys doing?
Doing fine.
Fine. Oh, I think you need to
Oh.
turn the press.
Oh, left or right? Oh, right one? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, tunggu bentar ya.
Oh, thank you. Nice. Oh, here?
Yeah, we just moved the table.
Which
But
table?
it won't, like, it's still really raining as well.
Oh, it's still really raining? Yeah, I kind of want to see Monas.